Okay, and this is how you.
Alright. Just drop it off.
Here we are.
Did you empty out?
This is room 3103. This is the bathroom. This is a European style bathroom. We've got the toilet and a tiny little sink in here. 2 ways to flush. Full and half, very energy efficient. There's even a little phone in here. This is the closet. Ironing board. Storage up there. Little safe there, which we made use of. Then we have this thing here. Here's the mini bar, which we didn't use because you have to. But anyway, it's well stocked. Coffee. Desk. Place for suitcases. We have more furniture here. Telephone. Desk. Very nice TV. Nice chair here. These are the European style plugs. And then this is the, you can see the room here. We have lights here, there. Alarm clock over there. Another phone there. More European style plugs. This is the looking at the room from the window. The lights are out here, and this is the shower and the tub and sink. They have a nice mirror there. All in all, this has been very, very nice. European style hinges here on the door. Here, and then on the door here we have the 2 upper ones and down there. And then here. So this is our view.
Are you done with this model?
Mm-hmm. Looking out at trade brokers and the Communist Tower.